Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss about the types of number. As shown on the board, we have natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, and real number. So, what are actually all these type of number? So, let's go through one by one. First, natural number. The natural number is actually the number we use to do counting. So, for example, the natural number we can represent as the symbol n. So, what we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Remember, natural number must be start from 1 but not 0. So, how about the 0? The 0 is actually in whole number. That's why we say the whole number is the set of natural number and 0. The natural number can use the symbol W, and the element inside are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Next one, integer. The integer is the set of whole number and negative value of natural number. So, this must be very careful. For natural number, we use n. For whole number, we use w. But for integer, we cannot use I, we use z. So, example, what we have in the integer? We have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. So, as I said, it's the set of whole number and also the negative value of natural number. The fourth one, rational number. So, what is rational number? The rational number we define as the number can be represented in fractions. Usually, the rational number we use the symbol Q. For example, 0.5. Because 0.5 we can write as 1 over 2. We have 1 over 10, 1 over 3. The next one, irrational number. The irrational, the IR at the front, which means that this one is can't. It can't be represented in fraction. the symbol we usually use is P. For example, pi. For example, square root of 2. For example, square root of 3. If you don't really know what is pi, you can try to click on your calculator. You click pi and you press the answer. The answer will show a number which approximately to 3.1416. So, in this, if you get this number and you try to press this button in the calculator, it will not turn your answer into fraction. So, as any number which cannot turn to the fraction, which we call irrational number. The last one, real number. The real number is actually the set of rational number plus the set of irrational number. Okay, so now we know all the definition and the example of these 6 types of the numbers. So, questions. What is the relationship between all these type of numbers? I would like to use the Venn diagram to represent the relationship of all these type of numbers. So, how are we going to draw the Venn diagram? So, I will start from natural number n. So, in the set of natural number, I just put 3 elements inside. I put 1, 2 and 3. After that, I would like to draw the Venn diagram for whole number. As you can see from the set here, all the natural numbers we will have in whole number. That's why all the natural number set we will draw inside the whole number set, but 0 doesn't in the natural part. So we write the 0 in the set of W but outside the N. Okay, next, integer. Okay, from here you can see the whole set of whole number will inside the integer. That's why we would like to draw a diagram like this. 0, all the positive value will inside Z. Then outside the W, we will put the negative number. For example, negative 3, negative 10, negative 100. Next one, Q for rational number fraction. So, I will draw a bigger diagram which the symbol I put Q, and here we will like to put 1 over 2, 2 over 3, or even negative 7 over 4. So why we put the integer inside the rational number? It is very simple. This is because all the integer, for example, 2. The integer 2 we actually can represent it as 2 per 1 or 4 per 2. That's why in the integer or whole number or even natural number, this all can be represented as fraction also. That's why we put inside the fraction circle. However, this one, the irrational number, which cannot be represented as fraction. That's why the P I will put outside the Q. I will have pi here, I will have square root of 2 here, I will have negative square root of 3. The last one, real number. As we mentioned before, the real number is actually the combination of the set of irrational number and rational number. That's why we can draw like this. We draw the big box. Okay, all the circle we inside the box. Then here we put R. Okay, the R is actually for real number. The symbol for real number. That's all for today. Thank you.